Want to make sure you never miss a BlendCrafted video again? Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Disclaimer. Press Shift+A, go to Mesh and add a UV sphere. Here you can see segments. Let's change segment value. Look at sphere, how the segments increase and decrease. Let's also play around with rings of the sphere. Look at changes, how rings of the sphere increase and decrease. So in order to make 6 colored panel of ball, we need at least 6 or 12 segments. Let's start modeling the ball. Press X and delete the Blender default cube. Add a UV sphere. Change segment value to 12. Press Z and go to the wireframe mode. Go to Edit mode. Click on Face Select mode and select the half of sphere and delete the faces. Click on wrench icon, add modifier, generate and add mirror modifier. Uncheck the X-axis and check the Z-axis. Now go to Edit mode. Click on Edge Select mode. Hold Shift+Alt and select these edge loops. Press Ctrl+B to bevel and mouse scroll 3 times to add 3 bevel loops. Click on Face, select Mode and press Shift+Alt to select these face loops. Press S to scale and Shift+Z to only scale in X and Y axes. In the Edit mode, press A to select all, go to Texture Paint. Choose white color in the color picker. Click on Fill Color tool and click on Texture slot. Add a base color texture. Fill the sphere with the white color. In the Edit mode, Shift select these faces. Go to Texture Paint, click on Face Selection Paint Mask. Go to Tool Workspace, click on Color Palette, create a new palette. Copy the hex codes from the description and add those 6 colors to your palette. Now fill the ball panel which we have selected in Edit mode with color from Color Palette. Decrease the color value to darker value to add some shade effect to the ball. Now we have to repeat this same process for 5 times to color our 5 more ball panels. Add a new texture slot for roughness. Select a black color. In Edit mode, press A to select all of the faces of the ball. Go to Texture Paint mode and start painting the roughness of ball. Press Shift plus F and F to change strength and radius of brush. Use darker color values for low roughness and lighter color for high roughness textures. Bump texture. Click on Stroke and increase spacing to 200%. Go to Shading tab. Increase the bump distance a little. Press Shift plus F to adjust brush strength. Now paint the bumps onto the surface of ball using different brush radius and brush strength to add surface details. Congratulations! We have successfully created Hello Neighbor Style Ball. I will soon make more Hello Neighbor Style videos. What are your thoughts about this series? Comment down below. And I'm off!